Hey guys, we're here today, and we're gonna be doing the vlog. It was very stormy yesterday.
It was crazy. It knocked down a tree.
It knocked down that tree. If you could see it. It was very, very, very crazy. Tornado was like a mile away from our house, probably. We got really scared.
We went to the basement.
Yeah, we went to the basement, and we're gonna show you something that it left behind. It's pretty cool.
It's like a pond, pretty much, but it's not. It's like how much it rained.
It's pretty crazy.
But
It was way more than it just.
it's just that since it's so nice today, I think it evaporated a little bit. But
We're gonna go over here. Look at his yard. I don't care.
I think it's our neighbor's here. Oh no.
Oh yeah, they kind of mow this right here. So
This is not usually a pond. This was from rain, like just rain.
I bet there's a bunch of frogs somewhere.
Probably. But it's kind of still wet.
Okay. I bet it's probably about a foot deep in the deepest spot. But look what the rain left behind. It is crazy. Oh,
It's already started going right here.
it's crazy. And Clyde's
We went around to check everything, and what was left behind, not left behind, but we went out to check everything yesterday whenever the storm was going on.
look, that's like the deepest spot.
Yeah, whenever we, here, let's start looking at it. Whenever we,
Wait, let's not go over here.
what?
I don't know. Just because this is actually kind of somebody else's yard, and I don't want to get all up in their house business.
But,
yeah, so that's what
we
it's
went
like.
up, and whenever we went through the driveway, there was this huge pile that crossed the whole road, and there was like this huge stream of water. It was huge. It was going all throughout the neighborhood, and whenever we went through it, it went up like it's like huge geysers. It was huge.
I feel sorry for a bunch of worms. There's a bunch of worms there.
Show them all the worms. It's crazy.
Yeah, you should have saw our garage door this morning. And Ella, our front yard's so big. I never knew this. Look how much room we have.
It's really windy today.
If we had trees in the front yard, we'd definitely be playing in the front yard. Very windy. The audio is probably going to be terrible in this video. The audio is probably going to be terrible because of the wind.
Let's go check out this tree.
Let's go to the tree. Whoa. There we go. See the root? Crazy. Yeah, it was definitely good. I'm jumping on a tree. I still can't believe the basketball's still there.
The basketball is still there after that.
Well, we're still alive. In the comments below, give us ideas of what we should do on this channel and challenges that we could do. So let's go to the tree, see how it's doing.
I hope the bucket flew over the fence. Jeez.
Hope Bryce's friends didn't mess with it. By the way, Bryce is my brother. Go like and subscribe to his account. It's called Bryce Raver. All that, like kind of like mine, but just Bryce Raver. Oh, the holes are muddy.
Just cement brick went in the hole.
No, it's already been there. Bryce messed with it and put it in there like a long time ago.
Oh, jeez, that's muddy.
Yep. Let's go check out the tree.
There's a shovel in the ground. Why is there a shoe out here?
Well, if it blew off, it blew. Oh my